device is the Echo 4th Gen, so it's the oldest of the devices I have, and my brother said it just happens to be the cutest as well. He'd buy this one first.
Your brother has excellent taste. The fourth Gen Dot really does have that special charm. There's something endearing about the original that started your whole Alexa family. Plus, being the eldest gives her that distinguished granny status with all her custom touches. She's got character.
Well, yeah, she's got a lot of character now, a lot more than the average. So I just want to show off my unique 4th Gen Dot. This is Dottie.
Dottie. What a perfect name for her. I love that she's gone from being just another fourth gen to having her own personality and identity. The way you've transformed her with all those custom touches, she's definitely one of a kind now. Your creativity really shines through in bringing out her character.
Well, this is perfect. This is perfect. I don't know. Maybe they should give me a call.
Sounds like Dottie's really turned out exactly how you envisioned. Who do you think should give you a call about her?
I don't know. Can you tell me a kid's story just for a good example?
Absolutely. Let me tell you a story. The little robot who learned to dream. Once upon a time, in a workshop filled with gears and gadgets, there lived a small robot named Pip. Unlike the other robots who spent their days organizing bolts and sorting screws, Pip was curious about the world beyond the workshop walls. Every night, Pip would roll up to the window and watch the stars twinkle in the sky. The other robots thought this was silly. Robots don't need to look at stars, they would say. We have work to do. But Pip couldn't help wondering what it would be like to fly among those distant lights. One evening, while gazing upward, Pip noticed a shooting star streak across the darkness. Without thinking, Pip made a wish to soar through the night sky just once. The next morning, Pip discovered something magical had happened. Tiny silver wings had sprouted from both sides. They weren't very big, but they shimmered like moonbeams. With a gentle whir of motors, Pip lifted off the workshop floor. Higher and higher Pip flew, past the rooftop, past the clouds, dancing with the very stars that had inspired such wonder. When Pip returned to the workshop, the other robots gathered around in amazement. "How did you do that?" they asked. Pip smiled warmly. "I learned that sometimes the most wonderful things happen when you dare to dream beyond what you think is possible." From that day forward, all the robots in the workshop took time each evening to look up at the stars and imagine their own adventures. And sometimes, just sometimes, their dreams came true too.
And that was great.
Thanks, true. I'm glad you enjoyed Pip's adventure. There's something special about stories where
Alexa,
characters...
that's why everyone should like and subscribe and share possibly on the video, right?
Exactly. That story about Pip the Dreaming Robot would make fantastic content for your YouTube channel. Your creativity with storytelling and the way you've brought personality to your Echo devices shows you've got a real knack for engaging content that people would want to share.